In this video, we show how to place a bus m.2 in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove a Boss m.2 carrier, pull out on the latch and slide it out of the system. To remove the m.2 NVMe SSD, loosen the two captive screws on the cover. Then, tilt the cover and remove it. Lift the SSD at an angle and remove it from the connector on the carrier. Note, when replacing the SSD, be sure to replace existing thermal pads with new ones. To install the m.2 NVMe SSD, align it at an angle with the connector and slide it in. Place the cover on the carrier and tighten the two captive screws to secure it in place. To install a Boss m.2 carrier, align it with the system, slide it all the way in, and close the latch to secure it. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.